tonight is the closing presentations of the 9-week UrbanLab, which we've been running here at the gallery. 22 professionals from across the fields of architecture, product design, graphic design and city policy have been working together in teams to develop ideas for Dublin 8 in 2022.
The course is fantastic. It gives an insight into the kind of things we'll be dealing with when we're living in cities in the future, particularly with regards to availability of resources and being able to maintain contact with community.
It's been great working with such talented and gifted people. I'm really excited about the presentations this evening. Some of them are really viable, particularly focusing on platforms for community sharing, resilience, looking at how to manage urban gardens, looking at how to share resources, really actually addressing very real and practical solutions.
Radiate is a community sharing platform developed for the Dublin 8 community.
The project was very interesting. It was a great way to meet people who are working in different areas and collaborate and see different perspectives on things that you probably wouldn't have thought of if you were doing a project on your own.
It was great working with the team. We were able to collaborate and we've all brought some really interesting strengths and ideas to the project.
We're very confident that this is a first for Ireland, having a cafe with its own food source, rooftop allotment and again a community hub.
It was also great to hear about projects like UrbanFarm, which are transforming rooftops in Dublin and looking at how we can actually create a farm in that way. And also to hear about the chocolate factory, the new design studio and restaurant, which is also happening in that same building. Plus also to hear from Jamie Cudden's project, Make My City Great.
Well, I think courses like this are very good for highlighting ideas, but also what's already happening in the city, because we have a lot of duplication, and it provides a focus where people with similar ideas can come together, and also people can learn from ideas that have already happened and, you know, put that learning into effect.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with the whole evening. The students all worked really well and everybody presented all the details of their work, which really went into some specifics about how they would actually make their projects happen with the communities in D8.
I thought what was really interesting is it wasn't what I was expecting. What I was expecting was something which was object and subject based, in other words products to come out of this. But actually what I saw today was actually reassuringly exciting. In a sense it's primarily political. It was about how to make change through participation and inclusion and identifying issues about how to get things done. And all of those things are political with a small p. And that's what we can do at a time when there's an economic difficulty, is actually get people to work together to make what they already have much better.
So really between the students' projects and people who are actively out there in the communities at the moment making things happen, it's been a really great evening.